Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google AI Studio, and in this video I will show you how to simply generate hyper-realistic quality images using Imagen 4 in Google AI Studio. It is a new feature that allows you to generate unlimited free images. So let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you download and install Google AI Studio app on your Android phone or iPhone. If you don't know how to do that, just go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then after open up your Chrome browser, click on this plus right here. Then come to the address bar and type in aistudio.google.com. Click on search. And if for the first time you are logging into the web version of Google AI Studio, you'll be asked to log in with your. So once you log into your Google account, you can click on here. Now you are in Google AI Studio on web version. So how do you download this and install it on your Android phone or iPhone? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three slider from the top corner on your phone. Then go ahead and scroll down right here and make sure you click on add to home screen. Once you add it to home screen, it will be successfully downloaded and you have the app icon right here, just like what you see right here. Now let's go ahead and see how we use the Imagen 4 to generate images in our Google AI Studio app. So let's find out. First thing first, go ahead and open up the AI Studio app by Google. The next thing you want to do is going to take you right here straight up. So if you are logging in for the first time, just log in with your Google account. Now once you are here, swipe this way until you get to images. So go ahead and select on images. Then you are here. So next thing you want to do right here, as you can see, Imagen 4, which is new. Go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. So Imagen 4. To generate images beyond this limit or integrate images into your projects, please use the Gemini API. However, we can go ahead and create our image straight up. What you need to do is to go ahead and describe your image right here, which is your prompt. So I'm going to go ahead now and enter my prompt. So I have my prompt right here already. I will simply select my prompt. So you can see my prompt right here. Once I enter the prompt, next thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure I click on here to send. I'm going to send now. Now we have it right here. So you can see this on our prompt right here. An enchanted forest at twiddling, glowing, floating lantern drifting through mighty air trace. So this is the image we are able to generate. So I'm going to click on here now to see the full image, just like so. Now for us to download, we can simply go ahead and click on here and download our image all for free. So you can see, open it after a successful download. Now we have our beautiful background images right here. You can create as many as possible images right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google AI Studio, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.